Setting up your EmpowrSoft booking system. Your personal booking calendar is about to become your new best friend for managing appointments. Once this is set up, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. In this video, we're going to get your EmpowrSoft calendar, team profile, and automations running in 4 simple steps. Step 1, create your personal booking calendar. First, let's build the foundation. Even if you use Google Calendar daily, you need an EmpowrSoft personal booking calendar to manage your availability rules and meeting durations. Head over to Calendars and click on Calendar Settings. From here, click the Create Calendar button. For one-on-one meetings, you'll want to choose personal booking. Now, fill in your calendar details, give it a friendly name. Select yourself as the host, and review your custom URL. This is also where you'll set your appointment duration and your specific available hours. Once you're happy with those settings, click Confirm. Now you have a link or embed code ready to share. Next, we'll make sure the system recognizes you as the primary host. Step 2, add yourself as a team member. Even if you're a solopreneur, adding yourself as a team member gives you VIP access to your own scheduling features and ensures everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. Go to Settings and click on My Staff. Click the Add User button, enter your details, and hit Save. With your profile active, you can now set specific permissions and streamline your personal workflow. Now, let's make sure your clients actually show up. Step 3, set up automated reminders. Automated reminders mean fewer no-shows and happier clients. It's like EmpowrSoft giving your clients a gentle tap on the shoulder so you don't have to. Head over to the Automation tab. Click Create Workflow and select Recipe. From the list, pick the appointment confirmation plus reminder recipe. Now, let's customize it. Open the confirmation email action. Update your meeting link whether you use Zoom or Google Meet and hit Save Action. To finish up, review the steps, toggle the status to publish, and click Save. Pro tip, you can always come back here later to add a personal touch to these messages to build stronger relationships with your clients. Step 4, integrate your personal calendar. Finally, let's keep everything in sync. Connecting your external calendar prevents double booking and keeps your life organized. Go back to Calendars and enter Calendar Settings. Select the Connections tab and click Add New to link your personal Google or Outlook calendar. While you're here, you can also jump over to the Video Conferencing tab to link your preferred meeting tool directly. And that's it. Your EmpowrSoft booking system is now a well-oiled machine. Double-check that your integrations are syncing properly and you're ready to start booking. Happy scheduling.